welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting down this diamond painting. It's completed. I will link the completion video there, and I think, yeah, I recorded this kitting up, so I'll link the kitting up video also. So now I am going to be putting away my what's it called, leftover drills from this diamond painting. Yeah, I do have to go put them in order, but this is going to be on a time lapse. So I do have, what's it called, labels for already printed out that have the shape, the DMC number, and then the color name. These are the labels of any diamonds that I don't already have a baggie for. And then I do have cards here as separation for the DMC. These are just the baggies that come with diamond painting. So see, this one came with drills. I just crossed out what was originally in there. And these are the bigger sort of baggies. I think they're about 6 by 7.5, or in inches 2.25 by about 3. So these are the slightly bigger one. A lot of diamond paintings come with this smaller size, but I use this bigger one. And I also found out from my black, this baggie is the bags that come with, you know, where sometimes some toolkits come in, a Ziploc bag. These are the ones from the toolkits. And now that I have found that, see, here is my square black. Look at how much there is in there. Now that I found out, once it gets filled up, it does kind of compact this way, so it does fit into my what's it called, diamond painting organization's photo box here. So now, instead of making another baggie of this smaller one, I'm just gonna use my baggies from the toolkits. I do end up keeping all my baggies, so like here are like the baggies from the toolkits. So yeah, so I was glad I found that out, because yeah, look at my squares. Look at that. And this came in handy because I actually did run out of 310 on this diamond painting. So yep. So I'm going to do a time lapse of this, and I'll be back at the end to say bye. All right. I finished. I was able to. I ended up deciding to put my 3865 in one of the bigger bags just because it was getting to that point that it was just a couple more diamond paintings worth of white before I would have had to, what's it called, change it in there, so might as well do a preemptive change. So thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.